So now the best way to import this, or where this one should be imported, it is on the top. So let me copy this one, Control C, and then just give some direction here. I say import should be done at the top. Why? Because also do it because we are in the progress, or we are in the process of doing this, so we cannot import it right here. So what we do, we just go up here where we imported this one, and also you can also import the Matplotlib like that. And then instead of run each cell, you can just come here to kernel and start cells, and insert all cells like that. Yeah, and we wait a bit so that we see whether there is an error. You see there is some error here saying import matlib.plot.splt matplotlib and not found. I'm undernamed matplotlib. So next time let's fix this error.